Yo, what's good, everybody? So we're here at the Nike clearance store. We're about to walk in. I'm gonna a little hurry because I am a little bit late. It's like 40 minutes after they open, so I'm gonna walk inside and see what we get. Alright guys, so this is all the bags of what I got. I'll show you guys when I get home. What's up guys? So I'm back home now and I'm going to be showing you guys what I did end up getting. So let's start it off with, I got the first pair I got were these Air Force Ones. So these are actually pretty dope. There's some women's Air Force Ones. It says right here on the tag that they're made out of 95% recycled material, so that's pretty dope. And they were really cheap. They ended up being $40. They're selling for like around 100. I got 3 pairs. 2 were 8.5 in women's, 1 was a 9. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Next one right here, we got some other pair of Air Force Ones. These are some Nike by Use. So this is the first time I buy any shoe to resell that's like a Nike ID pair. Let me show you guys. These are actually really, really cool. There's something like safari print with the green, with the brown. They're kind of clean, I like them. The men's size 11, let me see how much they came out to. They came out to $47.97. I mean, this is an ID pair, so I mean, I could pretty much sell it for as much as I want. I'll probably price it for like $100, maybe $90, I'm not sure yet, but probably right in that price range. Comes in a really cool box with some nice tissue paper. Pretty cool, really presentable as well. Next up, I got 2 pairs of the Nike React Element 55s. Same size as well, women's size 7. They were priced as $25, but they ended up being $19.97, so really, really cheap on this pair. If you guys know, this shoe sells pretty well, and for that price you gotta scoop up all the ones you can. They did only have 2 more left, and if you guys watch my previous videos, you guys did see I bought the same exact pair, but I was only able to buy 3. They were being really strict, so I was only able to buy 3, but this time they actually ended up being cheaper. The last video they're like $24, and then now they ended up being $19.97, so it was better for me, right? So then I got these up next. These what are they called? Nike Flex Experience Run. These are like some low-end shoes, but I do like to pick them up because they sell really fast, and I mean, they give people a good deal. So these ended up being, let me check real quick, $15.99. I always sell these for like $40 locally. I feel like that's a good price for someone who may need them. So that's everything from this haul. Really appreciate you guys watching. Let me know what you guys thought about my finds, and yeah, just if you guys have any video recommendations, what you'd like to see, let me know in the comments down below, and I appreciate you guys watching, and until next time, see you guys later. Peace out.